Here's everything you need to know about the Oraimo Watch 6N, which is a smaller version of the Watch 6. Oraimo watches are always equipped with AI-generated watch faces, health tracking features, and even Bluetooth call capabilities. The smartwatch also supports Oraimo Health app, which is pretty handy when it comes to customizing the watch to your taste. At the end of this video, you'll be able to determine if the Oraimo Watch 6N is worth buying. Oraimo officials, if you're watching the video, please, when are we going to get other color options for smartwatches? I have a detailed review on the Oraimo Watch 6. You'll find the link to that video in the description below. If you would love to see a comparison between the Watch 6 and the Watch 6N, please let me know in the comment section below. The Oraimo Watch 6 cost around 24,500 naira, but with my discount code GEEKDELINO, you get a 5% discount on any Oraimo products you wish to purchase anytime. As usual, you get a small package. Inside the package, you would find welcome guide, the Oraimo Watch 6N itself, and a magnetic cable. Sad news, unlike the Watch 6 which comes with extra silicone stripe, you get none. If you've watched the video to this point, please don't forget to smash that like button so YouTube can actually push this video to more people. And yes guys, most of the people watching my content are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is really painful to me. I would really appreciate it if you can actually subscribe to this channel so I can actually get to 30,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. The watch feels lightweight and is made of ABS and PC materials with a smooth finish. It has a rectangular design with curved edges, which looks lovely on your wrist. Currently, the website doesn't support color options, which is something I hate about Oraimo. It is built with IP68 waterproof rating, so it can handle sweat, rain, or even if you want to take a quick swim. The screen is protected by anti-scratch panda glass, which is a nice touch for everyday durability. The design looks premium than cheaper smartwatches in its price range. The watch comes with 240 by 284 resolution, which is bright, vivid, and responsive. This makes it easy to navigate menus or check notification with just a swipe or a tap. Looking at the watch, you can see the color pops out well, delivering exceptional clarity and vibrant visuals that makes everything from watch faces to health stats look sharp and engaging. One thing I love is how well it handles outdoor use. The brightness holds up well in sunlight, so you won't be squinting to read your steps or incoming calls. The touch interface is smooth and lag-free in my testing, even during quick scrolls through apps and workouts. Compared to other budget smartwatches, this display feels more premium, almost like a mini smartwatch screen on your wrist. It's impressive for everything from viewing notification, tracking workouts, customizing watch faces, or just glancing at the time. You also have the option to increase the brightness, which can give you support and improve the viewing experience outdoor. Let's talk about the call quality of the smartwatch. Before you can answer calls on the smartwatch, you need to enable it by drawing the screen down and tapping on the call icon. The call quality is not the best. The loudspeaker sounds flat, and when answering calls from the smartwatch, you need to be audible or close to the mic for the receiver to hear you clearly. The mic is not great for outdoor calls, especially in extremely noisy environments, so I would recommend you make use of a mobile phone. I love smartwatch with good battery life, and with the Oraimo Watch 6N, you get a 300 mAh lithium battery. It delivers up to 7 days of use in standby mode, which is perfect for those who hate frequent charging. While I was testing this watch, lasted over a full week with moderate daily use, including constant heart rate monitoring, occasional Bluetooth calls, and push notification, and a couple of workout sessions. I only needed to charge the watch just once. If you are on a lighter feature, just like using it for time, steps, and basic notification, you could even stretch it to 10 days or even more. Now, for heavy users with lots of screen time, you might see it drop from to 4 to 5 days, but it's still solid compared to more expensive smartwatch. Charging is straightforward with the included magnetic USB cable. It snaps on securely and juice up from 0 to 100% in just about 3 hours. No wireless charging here, but the speed is efficient enough for overnight or quick boost. To maximize battery, I recommend tweaking settings in the app like reducing screen brightness, turning off always on display, if not needed, or limiting background syncs. Starting with the health monitoring, it offers 24 hours heart rate tracking using built-in sensors to keep tabs on your pulse in real time, alerting you to any irregularities during rest or activity. Then there's blood oxygen monitoring, which measures your oxygen saturation level, super useful for spotting potential issues like low oxygen during sleep or high altitude hikes. Sleep tracking tracks down your nightly rest into stages like slight, deep, and REM, providing scores and insights to help improve your habits. On the fitness side, you have got over 100 sports mode covering everything from running, cycling, and swimming to yoga, and even more niche activities like badminton or jumping ropes. It auto detects some workouts, but you can manually select modes for detailed metrics like distance, pace, calories burned. Basic activity tracking includes step counting, calorie expenditure, and active minutes to keep you motivated towards your goals. All this data syncs seamlessly to the Oraimo Health app, which is available on both iOS and Android, where you get comprehensive reports, trends over time, and personalized tips. The app integration is straightforward, pair via Bluetooth or QR code, and it pulls the data very fast, which you can actually view via your phone. The smartwatch is not medical grade accuracy, but it feels reliable for casual tracking based on my week of use. The Oraimo Watch 6N is an excellent entry-level smartwatch for fitness fans or anyone who wants smart features without premium price tag, or those who doesn't have the budget to get more expensive smartwatch. Pros about the smartwatch is that it's budget friendly. For just 24,500 naira you can get one, and with my discount code GeekDelino you get a 5% discount on your purchase, and also any other products you wish to purchase from Oraimo website or Oraimo eShop app. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and also give this video a like so YouTube can recommend this video to more people.